नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हंसा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि मैं करती हूँ सन, मून और राइजिंग पे। आशा करती हूँ कि आपका 2021 अभी तक अच्छा गया हो, क्योंकि देखते ही देखते फरवरी का महीना भी ख़त्म होने आ गया है, क्योंकि ये फरवरी के लास्ट वीक का प्रेडिक्शन होने वाला है एंड मार्च का महीना शुरू होने वाला है। सो ऑल द पाइसेस आउट इन द हाउस, हैप्पी बर्थडे माय डियर पाइसेस, क्योंकि मैं खुद भी एक पाइसेस हूँ। सो लेट्स सी कि क्या कहते हैं हमारे टैरो कार्ड्स अगले हफ्ते के लिए। एरीज मेष राशि, क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए। ऑलराइट, मेष राशि आपके लिए आया है 6 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड। 6 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड आपके लिए कहता है कि या तो आप कहीं घूमने जाने का प्लान बनाने वाले हैं इस हफ्ते, या फिर आप एक एंग्जाइटी वाले माहौल से बाहर निकल के एक अच्छे वातावरण, अच्छी एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, खुशियों की तरफ जा रहे हैं। आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो ख़त्म हो रही हैं, यही कहता है 6 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड। एंड ऑल्सो आई जस्ट सी अ ट्रैवल प्लान आउट हियर, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद ऑल द एरीज एंड मेष राशि। दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है 6 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स। वाओ, अनदर 6। सो 6 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड आपके लिए कह रहा है कि दिस जर्नी विच इज़ हैपनिंग इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ सेलिब्रेशन। या तो कहीं कोई शादी है उसके लिए आपको जाना पड़ रहा है, या आपको काम में कुछ प्रमोशन मिला है तो आपके लिए उसके लिए यू चेंजिंग द प्लेस वेर एवर यू गोइंग ऑन अ प्रमोशन, एंड देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ happiness which is happening. And basically it's a very magical week for you Aries, because थर्ड कार्ड आपके लिए आया है मैजिशियन का कार्ड। मैजिशियन का कार्ड आपके लिए ये कहता है तो बिलीव इन योर मैजिकल पावर एंड बिलीव इन यूनिवर्स मैजिकल पावर, क्योंकि मैजिक के बगैर कुछ होता नहीं है। आपके लिए तीनों कार्ड इतने खूबसूरत आए हैं, इतने अच्छे आए हैं, जो कहते हैं कि ये हफ्ता आपके लिए बहुत ही मैजिकल है, अच्छा है, और आप अपनी खुशियों को और बढ़ाइए और दूसरों में बांटिए। यही कहता है ये हफ्ता मेष राशि एरीज आपके लिए। सो बी हैप्पी, एंड हमेशा की तरह से मैं लाई हूँ एंजल्स कार्ड। लेट्स सी व्हाट द एंजल्स हैव टू से फॉर द एरीज एंड द मेष राशि। एंजल्स एंजल्स एंजल्स, मेष राशि, टेक एक्शन। परफेक्ट है, जब इतनी सारी चीज़ें अच्छी होती तभी तो अच्छा कदम बढ़ाना चाहिए। तो टेक एक्शन टू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू एंड बी हैप्पी। सिंपल, ऑसम। Taurus, Rishabh, what is in store for you? OMG, lovely. The Queen of Cups का कार्ड आया है Taurus आपके लिए। The females, you are in a very emotional this week, because that's what the Queen of Cups is saying. You really want to go out and do something beautiful for your loved ones, for your kids, for your husband or boyfriend, or for yourself too, because it's a very, very emotional week. And also there's a wheel of fortune, the second card. There is some change happening. The wheel is changing for a betterment of your life, Taurus. Oh my god, I can understand this feeling. And the third card is the 6 of cups. So as I said, it's an emotional week. You want to do something about your kids and the students, and unke liye bhi the things are changing as they're looking for the new academic year, and education and studies and everything is there. The exams are there. So this week is going to be absolutely good for you guys. So just hang in there and be happy, because this is absolutely a magical week for you, Taurians. Wow. अब हम देखेंगे कि एंजल कार्ड Taurians के लिए क्या कहते हैं। एंजल्स कार्ड फॉर Taurians and वृषभ राशि is, come on, abundance. What better card you can ask for? Abundance is the word for you, the message for you from the angels. So go ahead, Taurians. You really have toiled hard last few weeks and months. So this is a time to rejoice, enjoy everything. Geminis, क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए इस हफ्ते? Very nice. Geminis आपके लिए है 3 of cups. And I believe the last week was a lot of thought process to understand a light of right, wrong, and everything. The pros and cons, you are going to reap the fruits of it. This is 3 of cups for you. A celebration, some happiness is there, which is bringing maybe with the family or with your office people, or among a bonhomie, among your loved ones, basically. The second card आपके लिए है Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is that you are looking positive towards the way you look your finances now, as it's working towards your thought process, the way you have thought your finances to go on some kind of investment. You're looking forward to some kind of long-term investment. Maybe you're looking for some mutual funds or something, some kind of investment which is rock solid, basically you're looking forward to. That's for the Knight of Pentacles says for you. And the third card is the Star card. The Star card is exactly what it's supposed to be. The stars are changing for you now. So my dear Geminis, enjoy. मिथुन राशि, ये हफ्ता आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. Make the most of it and reap the fruits. Let's see what the angels card have to say for you, Geminis. Boom. And it's a positive, it's a yes. So whatever you've been wanting to do, thinking, you are perfectly in sync with the divinity, and it's a yes from the divinity for you to go. And the other card which has just popped out is like the big happy changes. I am super happy for my darling Geminis. This is perfect. So enjoy this week, my darlings Gemini. कर्क राशि, कैंसर, क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए ये हफ्ता? ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ वाओ, आपके लिए आया है एट ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड. एट ऑफ सॉर्ड का कार्ड आपके लिए यही कहता है कि यू आर टैंगल इनटू योर दिमाग का जो प्रॉब्लम है. अपने दिमाग से आप लड़ रहे हैं, अपनी चीज़ों से आप लड़ रहे हैं. आपको लग रहा है कि अब मुझे यहाँ होना चाहिए पर मैं यहीं हूँ अटका हुआ. दैट्स काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन इन योर माइंड इज देयर, बिकॉज the Wheel of Fortune card is the second card, which is telling you hang in there, have patience, look the positive side, don't look at the negative side, because the Wheel of Fortune is changing for you. And the third card is the Sun, and the Sun card is saying be like a child, invoke your inner child, enjoy, don't be too mature about everything, don't be too legit and like rational about everything. You need to breathe, you need to enjoy, you need to understand life from the innocence of child, and you will see a lot of changes, my dear Cancerians. You need to understand that's how the life is asking you to be. So अपने दिमाग की जो सोच है उसको आप चेंज करिए, पॉजिटिव तरफ जाइए, and you will see this week to be bombastic, absolutely, for you. Let's see what the angels have to say for my darling Cancerians. Love, Cancerians. Look for a sign. See? You're not looking at the sign. It's all around you. You're just looking dun. Nahi ho raha hai, nahi ho raha hai. Look for a sign. It's telling you, open up your eyes. Breathe. Singh Rashi, what's in store for you? Oh my dear darling Leo, Singh Rashi. You are so stubborn. Leos, you are so stubborn, I'm telling you. You have got the card of the Nine of Wands. You are so adamant, stuck at your decision. This is my decision. This is how I want to do it, and I will do it this way. But darlings, you've got to change, because you have to adapt the change which is coming with the Ten of Swords, which is asking you, leave it. Flexible हो जाओ यार, थोड़ा सा flexible हो जाओगे, जिंदगी में खुशियाँ आएंगी. You can't be stubborn, righteous and egoistic about the thing that I am right. No, you can't be right. You may be a Singh Rashi, but that doesn't mean that you're right, okay? Because the third card is the Chariot, which is asking you to balance it out. Whatever is in your life, balance it out. And I tell you, from last so many weeks, it has come for the Leo Rashi, bring the balance, bring the balance, bring the balance. But you aren't doing it. Now you're in a cesspool. So अगर आप ये change लेकर नहीं आएंगे, you are be more in the cesspool. So darlings, you need to understand, अगर आप ये change नहीं लेकर आएंगे, आपकी तबीयत भी खराब हो सकती है. So take a breather from your hectic so-called regime that you are into and enjoy life. Let's see what the angels have to say for my darling Leos. Singh Rashi. Leos, oh my God. Communicate clearly. Well, you need to, high time. So you communicate clearly for yourself, for the other person that you are dealing with or dealings with, basically. So you clearly communicate. That's what the angels are asking you to do. All right. Virgo, Kanya Rashi, क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? All right. आपके लिए आया है Ace of Swords. There are some practical decisions you're going to take this week, and you're going to be very, very decisive, analytical, and also बिकॉज इमोशनली आप चीज़ों को जब हैंडल नहीं कर पाते हैं तो कई बार आपको अपने दिमाग से काम लेना पड़ता है। कन्या राशि यही कहता है। एस ऑफ सोर्स का कार्ड आपके लिए, दिस इज अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल थिंकिंग विच इज दिस वीक फॉर यू। सेकेंड आपके लिए आया है द 5 ऑफ पेंटिकल। 5 ऑफ पेंटिकल इज दैट आपकी थोड़ी तबीयत ख़राब होने का डेफिनेट चांस है इस बार, तो प्लीज़ अपनी तबीयत का आप ख्याल रखिए। एंड ऑल्सो you are kind of dejected with certain things, but don't worry, it's a very momentary stuff this week. But definitely I get the feel of your health in question at the moment, so please take care of your health. And आपके लिए आया है the 6 of Pentacles का card, which is saying that there is definitely some transaction, some deal which is happening where money is concerned, finance is concerned. So the give and take of the money is there. So that kind of a proposition is coming your way, whether we work, business and all. And the students, you really need to take care of your health. Why? Because you are really putting a lot of hours in your studies and sitting on computer screens or whatever in school, college, but you have to really take care of your health, because that is going to affect you. आप अपनी पढ़ाई में ध्यान दीजिए, पर इतना भी मत दीजिए कि आप बिल्कुल ही उसमें ख़त्म हो जाए। That's for this week for the कन्या राशि, बिकॉज थोड़ा डेलिकेट है तबीयत के लिए, स्पेशली ध्यान रखिए। लेट्स सी व्हाट द एंजल्स कार्ड हैव टू से फॉर कन्या। Well, it's in the near future, so whatever you wish to do, it's going to happen in the near future, so just hang in there and you shall be smiling away to glory. Libra, तुला राशि क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? Fantastic, it's beautiful. Ace of Pentacles, which is like telling you that you are going to start something new. Some new beginning is there for you as far as any work is concerned. And आपके पास कुछ money related information भी आ सकती है. And you are going to be a little more practical side this week than being emotional side, because second card आपके लिए आया है King of Pentacles का card, which is saying that the males especially are going to be in a very, very practical zone, grounded in a way that they know what they have to do. They will invest correctly. They will look for the right investments this year, because ये साल ख़त्म होने वाला है और अगला साल जो फाइनेंस साइकिल होता है हमारे यहाँ पर वो ख़त्म होने वाला है, तो इस February end, so all these finance things are going on. So business wise also, Librans, you're going to see the right investment the way you want to take it further, the finances of yours. And the third is the World ka card. The World ka card is also saying the changes are coming. You're happy the way the things are at the moment, and you're starting a new journey, which is also going to be fruitful. So far it's so very good. So totally Liberals, Tulla Rashi, you have balanced out all your things, and your fruitification is happening now with the new cycle which is going to start now. Now see the Angels card, what they have to say for my Librans. Librans, what is the card saying for you? Alright, you also got communication clearly. So communicate clearly. जो भी आपका आप plans बना रहे हैं investment के, talk to the right people, your CA, and figure out in your office how you want to go about it, the taxation, the investments and all that, how you can save more money and give no tax. Vrishik Rashi, Scorpios, what does the card say for you? Vrishik Rashi, आपके लिए आया है the 2 of Wands, which is like you're planning to meet somebody special. You want to meet somebody, or maybe you're looking to get out for work. You're looking more or towards starting a new synergy in your life, Scorpios, because you have been changing and the things may have been going like that. So now is the time to step out and all. You're almost there, because the second card is a Page of Swords. There is some kind of communication definitely happening for you this week, vis-a-vis your work, vis-a-vis your new job, vis-a-vis your business, whatever you're looking forward to, that shall start happening now. And also a third card is the Hanged Man. Now Hanged Man is something, despite all the beginnings, you will be taking a little pause to take a rational decision that you need to take, my dear Scorpions. So take that, and maybe somewhere अगर आपकी तबीयत खराब थी तो you will be dealing with it a little more carefully, as you do not want to fall further sick. So that's also this Hanged Man is telling me. And basically it's a week for you as a new idea, new communication happening. वैसे भी बुध जो है वो वक्री से बाहर निकल जाएगा अभी, क्योंकि 21 तारीख से बुध वक्री से बाहर निकलेगा, तो थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन में डेफिनेटली चेंज आएगा, फाइनेंसेस में चेंज आएगा. So that's also an indication for you. So whatever pause you have taken, it's a very right pause to take the right decision. Now let's see what the angels card have to say for you. All right, bingo. It says no need to worry, so don't worry. Everything is fine. So be steadfast. Sagittarius, धनु राशि क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता? वाह वाह वाह, आपके लिए तो बड़े बड़े कार्ड्स आए हैं हफ्ते Sagittarius. So आपके लिए पहला कार्ड तो सन का आया है, which should say that everything is fine and hunky dory, absolutely bombastic, nothing to worry about. पर साथ में दूसरा कार्ड आया है डेविल का और तीसरा कार्ड आया है 5 of wands का. तो कुल मिला के जो मैसेज है टोटल वो यही है कि आप जो खुशियाँ चाह रहे हैं उसको आपको बहुत एक इनोसेंस के साथ में डील करना है. यू कैन नॉट बी possessive about the things that you want to really want in your life, and the mental anxiety is also there a lot of. So this possessiveness of yours is not going to help you out. So you need to be, let the sun shine in the devilish thinking of yours, let me put it this way, which is causing you mental anxiety also. So you need to understand that this sun card will smile and shine only if you give away these two things of your life totality. You are really your work is going to suffer a lot, to be very honest, because you're not taking the right decision. You're a little stubborn, you're really materialistic about it. A time to get a little spiritual also, Dhanu, because that is what the indication is coming. Please थोड़ा पूजा पाठ करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा आपका ये हफ्ता संभलेगा. You are the master of your universe, nobody else is. So please look into that. And let's see what the angels card have to say for Dhanu Rashi Sagittarius. What is your next week supposed to be? Alright, come on, give me a card. Alright, it's here. It says, get more information. So whatever is troubling you, which is giving you devilish and you're getting stuck up and you're getting anxiety because of the 5 of wands, you need to get more information. So get more information and be sorted. मकर राशि कैप्रिकॉर्न क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? वेरी नाइस. मकर राशि आपके लिए आया है एस ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड. एस ऑफ वॉन्ड्स आपके लिए यही कहता है कि ये हफ्ता आपके लिए आप थोड़ा सोशलाइज करेंगे, नई एनवायरनमेंट मिलेंगे, नए लोगों से मिलेंगे और नए बिजनेस पार्टनर्स को मिलेंगे जहाँ से आपके काम बनने की उम्मीद है आपको, क्योंकि आपके साथ आया है 4 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड भी. द एनर्जी इज ऑल अबाउट going out and meeting and socializing and getting your work done, getting business proposals sorted, getting your money sorted, getting your life sorted. That's it the whole week, Capricorns. It's all about Makar Rashi, because तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए है Page of Cups का कार्ड. Page of Cups का कार्ड आपके लिए यही कहता है कि you are emotional about your work, you want the work to happen, but जो synergy है उसके लिए आप energy डालिए और आपको दिखेगा कि आप ये काम जो आप करना चाह रहे हैं उसमें आपको डेफिनेटली एक स्पार्क दिखेगा दैट इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स थी दैट विल टेक अ बैक सीट एंड दे विल वर्क आउट फॉर यू. दैट्स व्हाट द कार्ड्स आर इंडिकेटिंग फॉर यू एट द मोमेंट, माय डियर Capricornians, and reap it as you sow, which you have done good. And let's see what the angels message for you, and it is says improving health, which is a good thing, because I know you have been struggling from last few months altogether to get some kind of a leeway, some opening in your work. So that is definitely improving this week. So don't worry, slow and steady wins the race. Right. Kumbh, Aquarian, क्या है आपका अगला हफ्ता? आपके लिए है द क्वीन ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड. द फीमेल्स यू गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, एनालिटिकल, सोच के सूझबूझ के साथ प्रोस एंड कॉन्स को देखते हुए ही आप डिसीजन लेने वाली हैं. दैट इज व्हाट द थिंग इज सपोज टू बी विद द क्वीन ऑफ सॉर्ड्स कार्ड दैट इज कमिंग फॉर यू. एंड ऑल्सो second card is Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is like there is some emotional, somebody young, maybe female की ज़िंदगी में कोई young आने वाला है, so good thing for them. And also the third card is saying that it is the 8 of Cups. You are kind of moving away from something which is not working for you. You're looking for a better posture for yourself, work-wise, emotional-wise, something which is not happening for you rather. So अगर इसको सिर्फ मैं एक रिलेशनशिप के उसमें देखूंगी तो मैं कह सकती हूँ that you were involved with somebody younger and that it seems to be not working and you want to move away from that in a one line. But this is a very generic reading. अगर personal reading करवानी है, you can always email to me and we'll do it. But in totality, the young people are brimming with love. They're very emotional. They're looking forward for some love in their lives. But they're also somewhere they have been disheartened with the love that is happening in their lives. As far as our students are concerned, students, you're looking forward to something more happening in your life, and you are taking a deep part for whatever is not working for you. That's the total energy this week for you, Aquarians, that you are going away for something that's not working for you, and you are taking a practical decision, and you are also emotionally connected. So bring the balance. That's what I can suggest for you, my dear Aquarians. And let's see what the angels card have to say for you, darlings. Angel cards for Aquarian. Come on, give me a card. Well, it's success. Beautiful. So whatever you've been wanting to do and trying to do and thinking shall reap success for you if you really put the right masala in that. अब आखिरी राशि Pisces यानी मीन. Happy birthday, my dear Pisces. What the cards have to say for you? Whoa, fantastic. Page of Cups. You are emotional, and how? That's what the card of Page of Cups is telling for me. You, and this is the second card which is saying the Seven of Wands. You're really, really working hard to get over certain things, some obstacles in your life that is happening. And the third card is the Death card, which is a card of transformation. So you are emotional about the moment, the way the things are in your life, and you really are looking forward to this transformation. And now it is being your birthday. So when the birthdays होते हैं Pisces, तो definitely change होता है. Everything changes. So this change is coming your way, and I shall just be a little more biased toward my Pisces. Let me see. Oh, lovely. So Pisces, this is a bonus card which I took out for you just because it's a birthday week. So what I'm trying to say, this transformation is happening and you are traveling towards a better time. The next year of your lives is definitely going to be better than the last year. So my dear Pisces, don't worry, don't struggle. Everything is going to be working fine. Be the change that the universe wants you to change, and do not resist the change, because resist करेंगे तो वहीं रहेंगे जहाँ आप थे. तो चेंज को एक्सेप्ट करिए, अडेप्ट कीजिए, एंड यू विल सी व्हाट द न्यू लाइफ एंड न्यू साइकिल ऑफ योर birthday is going to bring into your life. And let's see what the angels have to say for you. Okay. Peaceful resolution. That's a fantastic thing, because जब आप चेंज करते हैं आपको anxiety रहती है, and you are given the peaceful resolution. So what are you thinking more about it? Just go ahead, adapt, change, and bingo, move to successful life. Now the time for the universe has your back deck, and let's see what it has to say for all of us for this last week of February, which is from 21st to 27th. So let's see what this week has in store for all of us. Ouch. Wow, it's all falling and it's saying boom, boom. Okay, let's see. Cool, let's see. Okay. When I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. Perfect. खुश रहिए और खुशियों के साथ में ही आप कमाल देखिए जो होता है आपकी ज़िंदगी में. What more you can ask for? So now this episode comes to an end, and thank you so very much. हमेशा की तरह से मैं आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ thank you for meeting lovely people, and there's so many good people around in this world, and I'm happy to help them and bring some change, give them the guidance and all that. So do not forget to share this video with your loved ones and help them to understand their life better. और अगर किसी को personal reading लेनी है तो please नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरा एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर है और एक ईमेल आईडी है, आप उस पर मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड आई बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. येस, देयर इज अ फी विच आई टेल यू वंस यू रीच आउट टू मी. सो विद दैट आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर दिस लास्ट वीक ऑफ February and namaste and love and light.